Good morning. Good morning. Soren. Turn around. Look at me. Good morning. Hey guys. Good morning. I mean, I don't even know what time it is. It might be afternoon. I am bored. Like, there's nothing for me to do. I took my friend to work. My cat. Hello. What's out there? I'm kind of in a good mood. I haven't been in a good mood for a while, but I've been I've been watching Shane Dawson a lot, and he's basically a vlogger, and him and David Dobrik honestly have been inspiring me lately to pick up this stupid camera and film stuff. So, with half the day gone, we'll see how it goes. And it's probably honestly going to be most of my animal stuff. Look. Look. Oh, I thought your ear was broken. I was like, no. Your ear was broke. Lola. I thought your ear was broken. That would have been cute. But anyway, yeah, it's probably going to be most animal stuff, huh, buddy? Huh, buddy? Oh, buddy. Yeah. Anyway, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna force myself to post whatever I record today. So, what did you hear outside? Who was that? Oh, jeez. What are you doing? Come here. Can you say hi to everybody right here? Look. She doesn't like cameras for some reason. Lola, come here. Come here. Come here. Sit. Good job. That's a good girl. Do you look right here? Yeah, you looked. Touch. Touch. Good job. You want to do some training today? Yeah, and film it for everybody to see? Okay. We'll do that today. Why not? So, this is Lola. Lola, I got when she was... How old were you when I got you? 3, 4 months? Yeah. And she already knows sit, which is what she's doing right now. Ready? Good. Oh, you almost got it. Sit. Good job. Ready? Good job. She is a Australian cattle dog. She's like my best friend. Yeah, can you show everybody? Can you shake? No, that... There you go. The other one. She gets a little excited. She's only 2. Good job, you dork. That's Buddy. Buddy is not my dog. Buddy is my stepdad's dog. Buddy, can you sit? Good job. I don't know if you'll like these, but we'll try them, huh? No? You don't like them? That's fine. Lola does. Can you whisper? Whisper. Good job. I don't know if you guys heard that. I know, Buddy. Buddy, sit. Good job. Here. See if you like it. You didn't like it. Alright, Lola, speak. Speak. Good job. Can you do it once? Good. No, just once. Good job. Twice? Good job. 3 times? Good job. Very good. Alright, back up. That's it. I know it's the camera. Oh, look how cute. This is not about you, buddy. Anyway. No, wait. Shake. Shake. Good job. The other one. Good job. High five. The other one. Good job. Good girl. And you lay down. And get up. Good job. Gross. Good job. And you spin. Good job. Ready? Spin. You twirl? Good job. Good job. Now you're too close. Oh, that was cute. Touch. Good job. And go this way. Sit. Touch. No. Right there. Good job. Good girls. You did good. You said you did not like. Sit. Buddy, I've taught. Yeah, I know. Ready? Sit. No, Lola. Sit. Come here, buddy. No. I know. You're so ready. You're so ready. Up, buddy. Up, up. Come on, buddy. Good boy. Sit. You shake. Good boy. The other one. Good boy. High five. Good job. Good boy. You go sit. You sit. Let's jump. I know. Good boy. Oh, now you like him? Now you like him? Good job. All right. Can you say bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. We don't know this yet. Lola, can you wave? Look. Wave. Good job. I don't know if you guys saw it. Wave. Good girl. All right, I'm still here. I'm looking through my fridge because I'm hungry. We don't have anything I want. I have yogurt. There's Subway. I don't know. Oh, we have ice cream. I'm so fat. I don't know. Ooh. Oh. 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 Yes. Sorry, I said the F word. Oh my God, my mom. My mom knows. My mom knows. Chicken. Freaking. It's hard to do this one-handed. Yes. It looks bad right now, but trust me, it'll be good later. It looks disgusting, but you never know. I'm gonna eat it. It's gonna be it's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna try it. It sounds all gross and goopy. I put Parmesan on it. Kind of hot, but not too bad. I've had some really bad Smart Ones meals before. They were gross. But this one is not bad. I did, like I said, I put Parmesan on it, but not bad. Chicken part's not bad either. I like it a lot more than whatever those other ones are called. The red box ones, I don't know what they're actually called. The noodles, though, are kind of soft, like, you know, they cooked them too long, but it's not bad. Alright everyone, that's it for this video. Kind of boring, but I mean, I really just needed to do something today, so I just decided to walk around and vlog nothing, basically. So hopefully you enjoyed yourself. If not, that's fine. It doesn't matter anyway, I'm gonna keep doing it. So I need to preoccupy my time because I got a lot of it right now and I need to do something with it. So, alright, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye!